A working video. This actually works, guys, so keep watching and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. It's super insane, guys. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you to get YouTube Premium for free, so you don't have to pay for it, which is really cool. So as you can see, here we are in the app, and when I go to get YouTube Premium, as you can see, it's expensive, but I can bypass and become a developer. And obviously I'm not going to be able to do this on the YouTube app, but this is a modded app, so I'm going to show you guys how to download it, and then you can get YouTube Premium. So as you can see, I'm going to press bind and continue, start using Premium, and I got it. So let's get into the video. So go to matrixmods.com and type YouTube. And then as you can see, this is the YouTube Premium app. So press download. And then the final step is the verification. So you have to download 2 apps, follow instructions, 100% free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. And then we're going to be done. So peace out, brothers. So just make sure you do this verification. It's very important. It's like download 2 apps, so there's all these different apps. You don't have to do all of them, but like Underdog says download and run for 30 seconds. Then we got, whatever, Scanner app, Travel Town, all these different ones. So if you press help, you can watch a video on how to do it, but that's how I get free YouTube Premium, so no ban. As you can see, I got it, and it's really expensive, I think, so let's do YouTube Premium cost, and we're gonna find out how much it costs. So it's going to be around $13.99 a month, so that's quite a lot. So if you don't want to pay that, then definitely try us out. So yeah, as you can see, all the apps here, so just go on the search bar, type in YouTube, and then there it is. And then you press download and you're done. So I'm going to see you guys later, but that's how I get free YouTube Premium. Super cool, guys, and it totally works. So if this video works, you guys definitely go and share it. I'll see you guys later, but yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is really cool. And a lot of people are haters and they don't know about this method. So I'm making a video for y'all who are broke to get YouTube Premium for free. So that is really cool. And yeah, so just make sure you do the verification and you should get it for free.